Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Our tutorial today is how to create Mercedes logo by Adobe Illustrator. Before begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Select Line Segment tool. Click and drag to draw a vertical line. From the Edit menu, select Copy, or Ctrl and C, then paste in place, or Shift Ctrl and V. Rotate at 82 degrees. Now right-click on the second line and select Transform, then Reflect. From the axis, select Vertical, then click Copy. Now join the line like what I do. Select all. Right-click. Group. From the Edit menu, select Copy, or Ctrl and C, then paste in place, or Shift Ctrl and V. Rotate at 120 degrees. Now right-click on the second shape and select Transform, then Reflect. From the axis, select Vertical, then click Copy. Now select all. From the Alignment, select Horizontal Align Center. Then select Vertical Align Center. Select Shape Builder tool. Alt-click and drag to remove the lines. Select Ellipse tool. Shift and Alt to make a circle in the center. From the Edit menu, select Copy, or Ctrl and C, then paste in place, or Shift Ctrl and V to draw another circle. Make that again to get 3 circles. Now select Line Segment tool. Make a corners like what I do. Select all. Change the stroke to none. Select Shape Builder tool. Select black color. Follow these steps carefully. Alt-click and drag to remove the outside lines. Now add the colors. The logo is ready. You can add a dark background. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Check the Adobe Illustrator tutorials playlist. The link in the description. You can find a lot of the useful tutorials.